Hello my alien students, good morning everyone. Actually today this is a kind of a unique class today. Okay, one of my alien students, okay, he said, John, you know what? I said, what? You are an alien, yes, okay. So how about you just trying to help me with doing some maths problems, let's say. I said, fine, share it with me, and then let's see how we can help each other, isn't it? So this is the story here today. Okay. X. So can we just tell that? Let me just change the color. So can we just tell? This is X. Can we just tell? This is what X, Y, isn't it? Y, X, Y plus. Where is Z? You're not going up, isn't it? Again, if I take, let's just change the color. Plane means what? What is plane? Plane, not aeroplane. Plane is a two-dimensional. Two-dimensional. Plane is two-dimensional. Okay. If you come to 3D, here you have a plane. In 2D you have a plane. Not aeroplane. It's called a plane. Okay. 3D you have something called as space. So this is good. Let's come forward. Let's move forward. Let's say line. So this plane would be X, Z. I hope this is okay. What one thing you need to understand, okay, in this YZ plane, it's very easy to understand, also very easy to remember also. Okay, can you see in this YZ plane? I'm talking about YZ plane. Can you see anywhere Z there? No. So you can tell Z is 0. Okay. Similarly, in this YZ plane, you can tell X is 0. That means, isn't it? Similarly, here Y is 0. Y is 0 means what? It does not have a value, isn't it? It is on this plane. Okay. If this is clear, coming forward, the answer should be easy. Okay. So this is the first plane what they asked. Let's see what they asked. They asked you three-dimensional coordinate, distance formula in space, okay, and then equation of a sphere. It's a circle which is in a three-dimensional form.
My name is Ariel, and I just started my first job.
Okay, so what is the distance formula? We have a beautiful formula given in this beautiful book. Yeah, distance formula. So we understood what is this. Okay, this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, this is the z coordinate. Okay, three-dimensional coordinate system. Okay, moving forward, I think this is what I explained. The coordinates plane. This is a white example. Okay, this is good. So for every point on space, you have x, y, z, you have three coordinates. Okay, so you have 3 points. That is A. A is what? The distance from the origin towards the x-axis. Okay. Then B is what? B is the distance from the y-axis, from the origin. Okay, it's coming like this. And Z, C is the Z. Okay, now what's the question? What's the requirement is? John, what is the distance formula in space? Space, when you talk about space, you need to think what space, the word which I use, space. Okay, when I think about space, I need to think about what? 3 dimensions. Okay? Distance formula. You have a distance formula. What is I was trying to ask you is something like this. Okay? If he will ask, what's the distance? What's the distance? What's the distance between, let's say, this coordinate and this coordinate? Okay. Let's say, okay, I think they will ask you this question, and they have a beautiful formula. This is the formula. Let me show you the formula. Okay, just a second. This is the formula. We have a beautiful formula. Distance formula. This is called the distance formula. Okay. This is the formula. Just remember the distance between the 2 points P1, P2 is distance is this with the coordinates x1, z, and okay. Okay, let's move forward. Let's see what the first question they want to do. Okay. Example 1. 2, 4, and 6. Okay. It's from this title. Okay, so we'll do in this book. Yeah. Example 1. Okay. They asked what surface R3 means what? A three-dimensional space. Okay, there are have values y positive and negative, we have x positive and negative, isn't it? Something like this. Remaining on a straight line. Okay, this is the meaning of z is equal to. That's the first question. Okay, let's just close this book. Okay, the next one, y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Y means what? Let's come to our question. Y is equal to 5. We have the coordinate system. Y is equal to, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4. At 5, we're going to have a plane which is going upwards and down and this way. Okay? Remove this. This is x. This is z and this is x. First number, example 1 and 2. Okay, you just remember one moment. Okay, this is the equation of a circle. Okay, x square plus y square equation of a circle. Okay. This is something easy. Yeah, they asked you at z is equal to the same story, equation of a circle, and then you keep going down because extrusion, isn't it? Okay. Next question. 1 is over, 2 is over, 4. Okay, 4 will be a good question. Yeah, listen. Should be this form. Yeah. Okay. Find the distance. Let's say the distance from a point 1 to 3 to this. Okay. So what you need to do is, first thing you need to, let's make a between the blank space. Okay, let's take this. I hope this is clear. I take a blank screen so we can write on it. Okay. The question is as follows. Okay, isn't it? Let's first draw the coordinate system. First thing is to draw the coordinate systems. Let's say our origin.
ايه احنا يوم بدينا
Okay. So we can call him
كنا
y,
نسافر لأيام
Z.
على رجلينا
and then we can call him x.
وانت الحين تقدر تحدث كذا وتسافر
To the point. Just 2 minus 1 7. X is 2.
See the mirror in your eyes. See the truth behind the
Be 1
lies. Your
minus
lies are
1
haunting
7.
me.
Just read it. Okay, be 2.
See the reason in your eyes. Give
1
an
minus
answer to why your eyes are haunting me.
We have to draw the distance between 2 points P1 and P2. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y minus y z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay, this is the form. This all comes into one. Okay, so can we call this x2, this is y2, z2? Okay. So it doesn't matter. Okay, this doesn't matter. If this guy comes here, it doesn't matter. Take any one. Okay, so actually you need to represent it. Okay, let's say x is 2, 1, minus 1, minus 1. Is it x, y, z? Okay, good. The next one, 1 minus 3. Yes. The answer is what? 3. Distance between the 2 points. Okay, now next question. This is a beautiful question. Okay, this is a beautiful formula. The distance between, okay, the radius. Let's consider this is the center of the circle. The dimension is the coordinates h, k, and l, and the other point is y, x, y, and z. This distance is called the radius of the sphere. Just remember this one. Actually, the same component they put extra here. Radius square, so there is no that square. Okay, let's answer this question. 1, 2, 4, 6. Let's put 6 next to it. Yeah, no, this is a beautiful question. Seriously, show that is the equation of the circle and find the radius and center of the circle. It's here. I'm trying a lot of different drawings in circles. This is circle. Okay. Let's just copy these numbers here and then pointing as they asked you to find the radius of the circle. Okay, and surely they asked you the coordinates. Okay, so before we do that, okay, we just need to understand this formula: x minus z plus y minus z minus.
See the mirror in your
This point between k and l is the center of the sphere.
eyes are haunting me.
Coordinates of the center. Okay, that are
See the reason in your eyes, give an answer to why your eyes are
this is the
haunting
formula. Let's keep it aside. We have to get this equation somehow. So for this equation, we need to have, we need to do something like this. Okay? But this numbers, okay, x minus h whole square gives me, let's say, reminds me of one long back. Okay, the equation is something like this: a minus b whole square is equal to a square. Okay, this is basically nothing before it. Minus 2 plus visiting all in another formula: a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus okay, this one you need to understand. You need to get somehow these numbers. What I will do is I will just the radius together, the values. Okay, so what we do is something like x square plus 4x. Okay, something has to be here. Give some space. Plus y square minus 6 square. Give some space. Plus z square. Keep formula is, this is the formula, no? Plus is there. So B is what? 2 in the first case. So we can tell something like x plus 2 whole square plus y minus x. Minus will come. Minus 3 whole square
See the mirror in your
z.
eyes. See the truth
The minus
behind your
minus 1
lies. Your lies are haunting me.
plus, for me to get this, if I add, let's say I add 5 here, I have to put 5 here. Balance, just 0 is equal. If I add plus 1 here, I have to add plus 1 here. 1 is equal. If I bring this side, it becomes 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. It becomes balanced. This is the equal. Equal means what? They are equal. This is equal to this. So because of which, for me to get a number here, I have to add what? 2 square. This number 2 square. Isn't it the formula? A plus B whole square. If I have to add 2 square here, I have to add 2 square here. That is 4. Keep it 2 square. Similarly, if I have to get this similarly, this is x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus z minus 1 whole square. Okay, when I compare this formula, which one? This formula, okay, with this, what can you tell me? You can tell me, John, the center of the sphere is h. H is equal to minus 2. K is equal to
See the mirror in your eyes. See the truth behind the lies. Your
the radius is
lies
equal
are haunting me.
to
to say